Chad, baby. Friday. Got the man K Rizzle in the house.
Yo, Chad.
You know what they say about good things, Chad? They are scarce. Man, but the man put in a shift this week. Keeks, thanks so much for standing in. Chad, it was a busy week for me. How's everyone doing? Everyone doing well? Hope you guys are ready for the last two rounds of the week. Yeah, we actually have a nice bucket of water because this man's hands has been hot on the cracker. So we're just gonna have him put his hands in a little bit. Those hands have been super hot. Keeks, you know what? I think cracker's 4 for 4. Eh?
I said to it, bro. I said
don't
yesterday,
take the trade today.
No, bro. I said to the Chad, there's no jinxing. There's no nothing.
Okay. No,
this is the week.
Okay.
We go 5 for 5.
All right. No, I like it. Chad, we're going to start off here very shortly. Keegan already telling me there is a lot going on. But before we start, I don't want to make this stream heavy or anything before we get going here. But yesterday, I was sitting and a good mate of mine, Reinhard Hichu, I told you guys, one of the actors in Binnenlanders, he was busy shooting a little, I would say a documentary. He's got a show on CakeNet where he does like documentaries of people. And there's a guy called Jan Blokhuis from he's Afrikaans artist. And I saw he posted something. I just want to show you guys. And it hit me quite hard yesterday when I saw this. And again, like I said, I don't want to make it heavy, but sometimes we forget what life is about. And I just want to show you quickly before we pray here today. I just want to show you guys quickly here. Let me just go back here. So this is the gentleman, and I just want to show you guys something here quickly. Let's just go back to some of the former photos. So this young gentleman here, Jan, look at that photo. That is him there. Let's go to another photo. Just want to show you guys something. There's the young man there. And then this is him today. He's got brain cancer. Look at him there. So I just wanted to chat this. When I saw this yesterday, this absolutely crushed me. And again, I was watching it and I was going through it, and it made me emotional. And it's sometimes we forget what life in general is about. And for that gentleman there, he just wants to be healthy. That is his priority at this stage. He wants to be healthy. He wants to get into a state where he wants to just live life. And we sometimes take that for granted. And I just personally told myself yesterday, the little things. And even with everyone in our community, Uzi, some of the guys struggling with health issues, sometimes it's not just about what car, what house, all of that. And sometimes it's just about enjoying the day, the moment, thanking God for that day. You woke up, no pain, no issues in your body. All right. So, with that being said, it's not a heavy. We said it's not going to be heavy, but we're going to thank God before we start. Father, we just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for bringing us all back here today. Thank you for health. Thank you for your grace. Thank you for your mercy. Thank you for everything that you do for us as a community, as a family, as friends in our businesses, Father. We just want to thank you. We just want to carry up everyone in our community, anyone that's struggling with mental health, any health issues, be it cancer, be it mental, be it anything, Father. We just pray that you will have your hand of protection over everyone. And we just want to live this day fully every day. And as we do that, we just want to bring glory to your name. So, Father, we just pray that you will be with us throughout the session, that you will be with us this afternoon, and that over this weekend, that you will bring us all back safely on Monday again, Father. And we thank you for this. We thank you for your grace, your mercy, And we pray and we ask this not because we deserve it, but purely because of your mercy. And we pray and we ask this in the mighty name of Jesus. And if you believe it, Chad, you can drop an amen right now. Amen.
Amen.
Alrighty, Chad. So just a little daily reminder. I've said it a lot of times, but sometimes I don't even take it to heart, is that real life happens out there. We sometimes get into a bubble. Real life is happening. So anyways, before we get too heavy here, let's get straight into the calendar. We've got GDP coming out, or came out of Germany, a little bit softer than expected. Pound retail sales much worse than expected. We've got PMIs coming out of France. We've got PMIs coming out of Germany. So we're going to have a busy morning, Chad. Euro PMIs at 11:30. We've got pound PMIs. So this morning is stacked with a lot of data. And then later this afternoon, we've got PMIs coming out of the US. Labor Thanksgiving Day in Japan. And then also, yeah, that's it. Michigan consumer inflation expectation. I think we can jump straight into the charts right now. Let's check it out here. DXY on the daily. Let me just do this quickly. DXY on the daily, beautiful. We spoke about it yesterday. I told you guys I'm bullish. My expectation would be that at the end of the day, we're going to hit those levels up there. We did. Now we're back at that major key level. Chad, all I'm going to say is if the dollar gets through these levels today, it's gone. Because last year, this is literally exactly the same time where we started reversing. So if we can get through there today or this week, the dollar is absolutely gone. It's not coming back this year still. So major one today is going to be 106.71, and I think Keegan also made mention of it earlier in the week. We've been speaking about that level quite significantly, and the expectation was bullish throughout the week. However, now previous daily high taken, rejected, and is this that end of week pullback? Because if you think about it, your weekly candle, let's quickly go here. This weekly candle is going to create some type of bottom wick, or it can just push up and close above there somewhere. But we do expect some type of end of week reversal. So very simple. We've got our key level there. That's going to be my main focus for the rest of the session. Whatever we do here, that's all I'm focused on for the dollar. So the rest is irrelevant. That zone right there, that's going to determine what I do for the rest of the session. US 30 daily, again, beautiful. Please go and watch yesterday's analysis. We spoke about closing back inside of this range, holding that previous all-time high level. We would expect US 30 to go bullish, which it did. We said we would go and test that zone up here, which we also did. Now it's just a case of playing in between these two zones right here. Whatever we're going to do here, that's going to determine what we do for the rest of the day. If we get through that, Chad, this thing is all the way back to those all-time highs. Lower time frame, let's check it out. 5 minute, what do we have? Okay, there's your daily zone up there. Asia high is taken now. Asia low is still firmly intact. Monthly R2, very simple for me. Nice big old block here for us to work with. Holds above here, bullish, breaks below, bearish, going for Asia low. So, and then after that, once we start getting through this little zone here, we can see a nice bullish continuation. Nasdaq, let's check here quickly. What is Nas doing? Nas on the daily, yesterday, bearish with the expectation. I think bearish neutral, if I'm not mistaken, purely because we closed bearish above this previous breakout zone. Look left with me. But we closed bearish below this previous all-time high breakout zone. So now, closing back inside, Chad, this is super simple. Unless Nasdaq starts breaking back into the range, I would expect us now to start pushing back up to those all-time highs. 5 minute time frame, what do we have? There's your daily key zone down here. your daily pivot, all of that. So I wouldn't even be surprised if we get something like this for a little bit later, where Asia highs stays untapped and we start pushing back to Asia highs. But ultimately, Asia lows, there's your daily key level. We're going to focus on that. And then straight after that, we're going to focus on Asia highs. For now, it's in and between nothing and nowhere. So can't really do anything inside here. Got to wait for breaks there or breaks there. That is literally what we're going to do. Chad, gold, I've been bullish the entire week. It has literally just been a case of how do I get in. Unfortunately, yesterday looking for the buys, no bottom wick, no retest. That is part of it. We're still bullish. Range to range, we are now going to this upper end of the range up here, 2707. Chad, also before I forget, big shout out to Miles. It is his birthday today, Chad. Please go and show him some love. He said all he really wants for Christmas is just some hair. And we said turkey. We'll try and do a little fundraiser today, but maybe we'll only get him to Kimberley. But no, I'm kidding. Keegs is there in Kimberley.
Bro, we're going to have to make some serious sacrifices for our boy there.
No, I'm kidding, but a big shout out to Miles. Happy birthday, Miles. I don't know if he's watching. I don't think he should be watching if it's his birthday. But big shout out to Miles. Hope he enjoys the day. Chad, but gold is still bullish. There's your previous weekly high. We've taken it. We've broken it. Asia highs from me, very simple. We've already taken Asia highs. Now it's just a case of where is our first half round number that we can potentially trade from. That half round number is right here. Give me 1 second here. So let's just check. That is a retest for me, Chad, of Asia highs. Even though it's just a little nipple there in, but I am bullish, so we'll see. Yeah, all we need to do is we need to find some type of structure, because again, we're at the weekly high. Already on our way to the daily R3. So I'm just going to let this simmer a little bit, let it rest. Almost like a good steak after you've taken it off the fire. You let it rest for a little bit. If you didn't know, now you know. GJ, I am bearish on the day. All right. Purely because we broke that structure lower. The only thing now for me that makes it very, very tricky. We've taken a previous daily low. And we came right back up. Okay, so that for me is the only concern. But once we get back into this daily range there, then this is just going to do what GJ usually does. Come back inside of the range. Other than that, if we can hold below the previous daily low, I will be looking for shorts. Okay, so let's quickly see what are we working with here on GJ. So Asia lows untapped, daily S1 untapped, previous weekly low. There's that daily key level we spoke about, already tested it. So I might, Chad, I might consider some shorts below here. All right. That is my idea. I might consider some shorts from there and then to go and take Asia lows. All right. And also looking left, there's quite a bit of support there. So that is my idea. And then I would look for some buys above this daily key level, 194.80 session highs, and then for that continuation to the upside. Then very last one, the one that broke our heart yesterday. Just broke our heart. And then Plamena was up my ass and, Chris, your liquidity. And it's like, man, Plamena, it's already cuck taking a loss now. I need to have somebody... all of that estrogen also now in my ear. But anyways, Chad, beautiful. As expected, I broke it down yesterday for you guys. I said there is your range high. My expectation was that I told you guys somewhere during the day we're going to trade into this zone right here. The way there, if you look at the daily, it's like, Chris, it worked out perfectly. We'll go in the lower time frames now. I am still bearish on the day. Only thing is this is your yearly pivot. Massive pivot. The last time we were here was in May. All right, so big level. So GU could be a little bit tricky today, but I am still bearish. Now it's just a case of how do we execute on this. So yesterday, let's just go through yesterday quickly. Keeg, sorry man, I'm almost done. It feels like I'm doing a TED talk here.
I'm just reading the comments here.
Chad, I think we took it. Yeah, Chad, we took it. Yeah, I'll still remember it. 30 minutes. Yeah, just want to take you through it. I just want to take you through it. Alrighty, yeah, here we go. So yesterday, I told you guys I'm bearish. We rejected that half round. Yeah, the half round was up there. Asia lows rejected. Beautiful, everything, and we took it on the break of these lows right there. Stopped out 11.3 pips. I think my stop was at 10. And then it ran to 10. That would have been a 1-to-1 there. Unfortunately, it happens, Chad. Don't break your head over it. I was bearish. This right here was just this happens in the markets, and you can't control it. Anything you can control is your risk. But anyways, made its way down. Never got the trade later in the afternoon because this candle. Give me one last sec, Keeks.
No problem, bro.
I think it was so I looked at it yesterday. There was the break, literally on the S1, and I was like, man, I'm just chalking the charts at this stage. But there again, 30-minute, nice minor break there of that structure. If it closed below the S1, we know it's going to the S2. That was a nice volume move. But anyways, so now for today's session, all I want to really look at is what are we going to do at these previous daily lows and Asia lows. So I'm going to actually mark out this entire zone. Just want to measure how big it is. Only 4.5 pips, so I'm happy with that. So if I can get some nice rejections in here, then I would potentially go shorts. Otherwise, there's your yearly pivot, there's your daily S1. If we start holding back inside here, you can get a move like what we had yesterday. Your previous daily low, I think, was somewhere down here. If I'm not mistaken, the previous daily low was somewhere down there. Once we started holding it, you had a nice pullback back to the upside. So that's the idea that I'm going to go with here today. Rejections, we're going short. Breaks back into the Asia lows, we're going to test that previous weekly low. But Chad, that was, I feel that was a lot. But we're going to go over to Keegs now. Keegs, I hope yours is not as much as mine.
We speed run it, yeah. DXY guys, I'm still bullish. I'm going to stick to that. I'm staying there. I'm happy with it. We spoke about it that this monthly R2 was the main level the whole time. This is what we were working towards. This is what we wanted to see come alive, and we are getting that now. Yesterday we said it was going to be a big day for the dollar, and it really was for dollar related pairs. So it was a good one. Now, when we look at two things for me are going to happen here, guys. You obviously can see this rejection start to come in, but again, we want to see driving factors, and again, we have a lot of news coming out today. So dollar only coming, really waking up later this afternoon. Now, we can have to move further down to retrace this, and at this point, necessarily, I won't be looking for the buys. I think then you might just get a little bit of a pullback and kind of call the day somewhere around here. But what I would love to see is if we do find a little bit of an entry level of support now around these Asia lows, and we start to come back, because then if we reject it, this thing is going to take off later today, and as Chris was saying, then dollar's gone. It's not coming back, and you're going to see the dollar just run away for the rest of the year, which necessarily we want to see. So from my side, I really want to see that dollar strength continue. But as always, we have Friday reversals we like to always talk about. So just keep your head out for that. But we look at the 15, very simple. I want to maybe see the lows being swept a little bit, as we know they have been tested. So a little bit of a sweep if we can then get back into this. And once we get back above that monthly R2, I think then that bullish pressure is going to come in for the rest of the day. Then NASDAQ, I'm still, again, I want to say neutral. And the big reason about this, guys, we're going to talk about the difference with NAS and US study. But NASDAQ, obviously, you're having a lot of wick rejection both ways. So this can really put some pressure on us. But what we are starting to see now is, again, the weekly pivot. The thing for me is I always talk about we want to trade to a pivot to trade away from it. The fact after the whole week, we basically, from Tuesday, we traded to it. And we've been around here. Yes, we had a bearish, but wicks down, wicks up. Then we were, yeah, wick up, wick down, still closing here. Now we're still holding out here. It gets a bit messy. So that's why I want to take neutral, because honestly, the fact we can't get away here, yes, we're going to have a driving day where this thing is just going to pop off and be gone. But you can't really just say what day that's going to be. So again, for me, what I would like to see, if I do want to get those buy continuations, I'm personally going to wait for a little bit of a wick low, because these equal lows at the bottom become quite a nice target. Take it something like that, the daily pivot, weekly pivot, and you have that sweep of the lows. Then coming back up, if Asia highs are still untested, that is a beautiful trade, and I'll probably then aim for the R1 around about there. But that's just what I'd look for on NAS. US30, I'm definitely still more on the bullish side. We've obviously broke away like we did yesterday, had the weekly pivot, now we want to get away. Same thing, monthly R2, and we are near at the psychological level of 44,000 again. So that's what I want to see us trade into. Very similar to what I was talking about DXY. So if you saw DXY is basically pushing down like this, we want to see a turn and flip and drive, and that's the same thing we want to see with US30 now. So really, again, the same thing, that R2, if we can see this start to drive from here, we can see a nice big move. So if we have the retest here, it holds that breakaway from 44,000 and then up for previous daily highs, and possibly even higher going into the rest of the session. Before I go into gold, guys, just hold on. I think for this, we just do it as a story. Eh? Yeah, I think we just do it as a story. Are you on the 2G page?
No, I think the easiest
Okay, because either way, well, if it's going to be a story post, I mean, either one of us can post it.
You want to be the one who posts it, like, I can share it with you now. Then
You
you
can.
get control over, like,
Because then I'll just put it on everyone's page. I'll tag everyone to obviously do it.
I'm going to shoot you the link so you can download the highway.
Do you not have the highways there?
I don't know how WhatsApp
Just
is
no, it's airdrop it.
Oh, fuck, yeah.
Yeah, I was going to show you for mine. Because some of my airdrop voices for everyone, and then it's not everyone. Yeah, no, perfect. I'll post it now when we're done with analysis. Alright, so then with gold again, we were still bullish. Now you guys remember we traded into this level, and the first thing I said to you was, again, probability tells us when you look at candles, we weren't slowing down, momentum wasn't slowing down, we were going back up. We held these levels. Again, if you think of it as a range, there's your psychological levels. We finally broke. This has been a fake out of the lows, coming back up. So 2700 was always going to be our target there. And again, going quite nicely. We've seen this. So again, you guys remember yesterday, I spoke to you about it being the idea that these levels, you want to see these pause candles, because again, what does this mean? Levels of very strong resistance, you're going to take a lot to break through it. So this pause shows this volume. The fact we can't break down shows the amount of volume we're still holding with momentum, and then you get the drive and the drive. So very, very good things for us there. So when I break that down in the same sense, I'm kind of going to like the same thing here, and that's why I don't want to just be too aggressive off this. So I want to anticipate the idea that we can test this, kind of get a little bit of rejection, and then get the breakthrough a bit later, if that makes sense. If it runs without us, it runs without us, but that is what I just want to anticipate for the move. So if we get something like that, and you know, when it even comes back down to, let's say, 2690 even, because then it's still a nice number, it's still holding Asia highs, I'd still then look for the buys. But even just anything, let's say 26 till 2695, let's just bring that down, 2695, let's there you are. Then I think you're still good if you can then break above, have that bullish pressure. So as I say, bullish, but that's what I'd like to see there for the end of the day. But that's pretty much everything from me, guys.
Keeks, appreciate it. Chat markets are open and in motion, baby. This is the official round 9. Markets are open and in motion. Ding, 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 ding.
Ready to go.
Wait for
Round 1, fight.
Here we go. Chat, hope you guys are ready. I saw somebody saying a lot of volume on crypto. Remember, there were times when crypto was also ranging. So just be aware that volume is not always there, but there is a lot of volume now. There is a lot of volume, but that volume, crypto also has its the times where it's just ranging and everyone's sitting and waiting. So
Yeah.
but no, Keegan has got more crypto than me, Chad. I told him earlier in the week I saw this man was busy building that crypto portfolio. He must still give me the crash course.
You gotta get in on it.
I'm gonna ask Keys to give me the crash course here.
Let's just get this done.
Alright, Chad. GJ holding this Asia high level 194.50 as mentioned that previous daily low break, and now holding above. That is somewhat bullish. Why am I not seeing the previous daily low? I think it's because of this. Let's check.
Incoming mail.
Sure, mails are incoming. What is GU doing? Okay, GU as well. Gold. Yeah, we're gonna have to see how we partake in this gold. Gold has just been super bullish this entire week. I think if you were a little bit aggressive, you could have caught some sells, but for the most part, when I buy the chat, I saw something funny yesterday on FinTwit. The guy was saying that Sassel was a screaming buy. And he said every time you buy, you scream because it just keeps on going down. I was like, incredible. Oh, damn. What is that shortcut if you want to drag a line, then it holds its position? Is it shift?
Yeah, shift.
So I click and then shift. I don't know. That's not Keegan's banger, hey, Chad. Just letting you guys know.
Yeah, I just put in the post up or the story.
Oh,
Yeah, I just tagged you in it.
quickly.
Yeah, we just did the story for it. But it looks. Did you show you what it looked like?
Oh, it looks sick.
The first little teaser. But on that note, brother, I don't know, are you locked in for a trade, or we're gonna get into the Friday Forgotten Bangers today?
No, I've got two opportunities here.
Sheesh.
I got
Guys,
two.
these boys are locked in here in London Station.
No, we've been cracked in London session. We've been. I think Miles is also technically net negative for the week, if I'm not mistaken. No, we got London this week. Absolutely.
London came for the boys.
London cracked us in half, my guy.
London came for the boys.
London didn't even play around. There wasn't even drinks or anything. Didn't even give us a chance to have like a little starter. Not even starters, gigs, just like straight up.
It's tough scenes out here.
Straight up, my dude.
Tough scenes, ladies and gents. But this is what makes the trader.
Brian, yeah, Rooks, I actually asked, I asked Kate now, someone is going to go to the courier company now. I was just without a car yesterday, was in for, not a service, they just had to add some type, AdBlue, or I don't know. So I was without a car, but we will, that's literally the first thing on my list today. The Rooks Union. Alright,
Okay, I need to go peach out.
oh, there we go. Maybe Keeks is P. We'll bring that TP. Alright, chat, I'm just waiting for rejections in this zone. Alright, if we get it, that is where we will start to look at executions. If we get rejections there. GJ, also there's that daily key zone. So if we can get back into this Asia range, then I do expect we can go lower. Only thing though is Japan was not online today, so there's nobody, we always talk about it, there's nobody actually transacting on a bank level in the JPY. So there's no transactions going on. Obviously there's not going to be any JPY flow, so you could actually see a weaker yen.
Incoming mail.
No, we gotta wait for the bangers. So we gotta focus. As soon as those bangers start, everyone loses focus, and it's like weekend mode. Let's just first see if we can grab a trade here this morning. We're not going anywhere, Chad. Yeah, DXY is starting to shit the bed here a little bit. Just want to see a news squawk. Any US envoy Oxen leaves Israel at dawn for Washington without announcing the outcome of the talks. Alright, so let's check here. South Korea National Security Advisor says Russia provided anti-air missile to North Korea in return for troop dispatch.
Chris, when did you used to look at German 50?
I don't look at German 50.
Oh. And so I was asking Chris, why don't you look at German 30 anymore?
So I've never really looked at our. I don't really actively trade it. I don't actively trade it.
Oh, NCS bringing out the bangers on Friday.
Dude, NCS is a vibe on its own, eh?
They're ready for Fridays, bro. We're gonna open up a NCS club.
NCS bangers.
Oh, wait for the drop there, Chad. Okay, that was disappointing. That was like some dubstep type of, I don't know what that is. Oh, Stofy.
Is that Stove's birthday as well?
Sheesh, happy
Stove,
birthday,
wow.
brother.
Stofey, happy birthday, my brother. May it be a blessed one. No, man. Sorry, man. No, it's Miles. Damn. I thought, no, it's Miles. Anna D said, Chris, did you say it's Stove?
Oh,
No, but is it Stove's
I don't
birthday?
know.
I think it is Stove's birthday. Anna, you're right. Anna. I said it is Stofey. Chad, Stove and Miles. Happy birthday, James. Alrighty, Chad. Let me go so long to the list. Alright, Kings, let me look at this list. Alright, we've got Kechecha Nicodemus. First up, we've got McNeil Isaacs. We've got. Did Dave get a chance last week?
I think Dave sent his in,
But we
but it was
chalked
a
it.
song that was already
Yeah.
played.
Okay, so I think Dave's is in. Oh, we've got Mr. Rooks as well. But was Rooks involved last week? I don't think he was.
I don't think so. No, I don't think Rix was involved last week.
Okay, so straight. Whoa, Chad, we've got Mr. Nazam Samai. Sure, it's a spicy one, yeah. Got a good mix here today.
The boys are coming out.
Got a good mix here today. Still waiting here, Chad. While we wait here, let me actually get some of these bangers ready for you guys. Let's get some of these bangers ready. McNeil Isaacs, you didn't put the artist there, so I'm gonna okay, so it could be wrong, but okay. Oh, is it the Winnie Kumalu one? McNeil, just let me know. Is it you have to put the artist as well there?
I think my cups are still in Mo's office.
Ooh, here's something happened. Alrighty. PMI is coming out relatively shitty. Let's check here. 15. Oh, Chad.
Yes, Chris. Sorry about that.
When he
Yeah.
Kamalu. Okay, beautiful. No stress. I just want to make sure because the chat goes for you, and I want to make sure everyone gets a fair chance here. The chat can be relatively rough. So
They
Chad,
don't hold
please.
back.
Please note, disclaimer, we do not have control over the chat. Their reaction on your song, like, don't get offended. The chat is just very critical of the Friday Forgotten Bangers, and that's the way it should be. So please do not take any offense if there is some chat-on-chat violence in the chat.
They can eat today.
We don't condone any of the chat-on-chat violence, but we have seen the chat can get
Sure.
pretty psyched. Okay, chat. I think while we wait here, we've got another 15 minutes before I can actually do anything here. Before I can partake of this fruit of the markets. Things somewhere gap down and now, what are the charts doing? Give me 1 second. I'm going to start off with mine and I'm going to start off with Keegs. So I hope you guys are ready.
Chad, I know I'm going risky on mine today, but we'll talk about it when it gets there.
Chad, my one, I feel, I don't want to underplay it and say, oh, I was not prepared. But I'm gonna trust. So, Chad, my Friday Forgotten banger. Hope you guys are ready.
Chad's in deep thought,
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. And if a get an attitude, pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot. I got the rollie on my arm and I'm pouring Sean down and I'm full of best cause I got it going on.
I'm a nice dude with some nice dreams. See these ice cubes, see these ice creams. Eligible bachelor, $1 million bow. That's whiter than what's
the bass.
throw. The phantom, exterior like fish eggs, the interior like it's red. I can exercise you. This could be your phys ed. Cheat on your man, that's how you get it. Killer with the B, I know killers in the street with the feel to make you feel like you're chilling in the heat. So don't try to run up on my ear talking all that raspy. Trying to ask me when my figure they ain't gon' pass me. You should think about it. Take a second. Matter of fact, you should take 4B and think before you a little skateboard B.
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. And if a get an attitude, pop it like it's hot.
Okay, Chad. Let's get Keeks. Keeks, give me a sec here.
All right, Chad. I'm just gonna say, before mine, I know mine's a risky one, but it's to me it's a great one. It's our own
Keeks,
homebred.
I just want to put it on your screen quick.
It's our own homebred South African boy. And again, if you don't know this song, if you don't like this song, you must fight me. It is a vibe on a Friday.
Yo, Keeks ready to fight, Chad. There you hear it. This man is ready to throw down for his fellow South African artist. I'm backing him up. Alright, Chad. Let's calm it down. Sit.
Ahead of the Springboks tomorrow on Walker Friday. We need a South African artist to represent, yeah.
Chad. We'll start this one quite hot. Let's get in here.
Chad, if you do not know this song,
I
don't know. Woo! Come on, Chad. If you guys don't know this.
There we go, Chad.
If you don't know this one, Jex, my boy. Don't tell me that. Jex. Oh, Jared.
I didn't want to leave you down south when I said that I would call you, squeeze you a little bit of love. I didn't want to, but it's good to see you. Tell me how you doing. I didn't want to leave you down south when I said that I would call you, squeeze you a little bit of love. I didn't want to. Anyway, and in the light of day, I didn't know
this. Folks don't know this song, Ruben, bro.
And everything she was.
Doesn't he know it?
He doesn't know this.
And in the light of day,
bangers, Chad.
I didn't know you, but I wanted you to stay, and I didn't want to go. I wouldn't take it away from you. No, I didn't want to leave you down south when I said that I would call you, squeeze you a little bit of love. I didn't want to, but it's good to see you. Tell me how you doing.
Come on, Chad.
I didn't want to leave you down south when I said that I would call you, squeeze you a little bit of love. I didn't want to. Anyway, I could have told you all
down. You wanted to hear it.
Bro,
Y'all
I am
seeing it
shocked
all
that
clear.
guys
You
don't know this
seem to
song.
be surprised.
Dude, this is a
Remember how we
banger.
say someday we'll set sail.
And it's our
It took me so
own
much to
home
get to
red
where we are.
blood, yeah.
And right now you are slowing me down, slowing me down. Trying to get up, it's supposed to hold me down. It's different, ambiguous it may seem. The light shines in the dark. I couldn't see in the light of day. Everything we dreamed, I didn't know this. It's how you react, it's a kill
And
dream.
everything she was,
But I'm tearing up the seas, tearing up these seas.
time and waits for no one to me. 26 years to build this something, and I'll be damned if I let it slip away. I didn't want to leave you down south when I said that I would.
Alright, Chad. Alright. Chad, I love that song. Jeremy Loops, awesome artist. Love his vibe.
He's
Just-
hands down one of our best South African
Yeah,
artists.
dude, I love him. Very creative as well. Just his flow with. Listen to this.
Yo.
I've been lying awake up all night. All these higher stakes in disguise. I've been dying to wake up and fight. I've been low. And in the light of day with open eyes. And in the time it takes to decide that I wanted you to stay and I didn't want to go. I wouldn't take it away from you, no. I didn't want to leave you down south when I said that I would call you, squeeze you a little bit of love. I didn't want to, but it's good to see you. Tell me how you doing.
Yo, Chad.
I didn't want to leave you down south.
Alright. Bro, that's a staple. That's a staple in the playlist.
Right, and the thing is,
It's a staple.
yo,
man.
some of the Chad, the fact that I don't even know him, other guys are like, it's alright. Chad.
Tamika Lindy.
That's the first time I've ever seen that name. I don't know. But yo, Chad, if you're South African and you don't like Jeremy Loops, I mean, come on.
Average age is between 25 and 35, believe it or not. That's where the top bracket is.
Juice, the name of the song is called Down South.
Yes, beautiful name of the song, Down South. All right, Chad, all right. Hope you guys are ready. It is now officially time for the Chad to get involved here. And we've got Kegetja Nicodemus, Chad. Get ready for this man. This
Yeah, I know the fact that it honestly is in South Africa, and it's insane, bro.
This is Mr. Kegetja, Chad. So get
Bro, this is definitely like high school vibes. I think probably even primary school vibes.
Turn down for what?
alright.
You know what? I have to give it the ABCs. Actually, hold on. I have to go BC.
What?
Every club I go to, they'll play this song. So that's my only thing. Like Jake's is a DJ. So like Jake, see if you agree with me on that one. Like, it hands down it's a banger song. It is, but every club, there's some point in the night they play this song.
I just want to get to the part.
That's my only thing. The rest of it, then I'm like, it is a dope song. Like, it really is.
I usually love to play this song when I took losses. Then I would play that shots. Everybody taking shots. Wait for it, yeah, Chad. If you hit a stop, this should be your line.
Turn down for what? Turn down for what?
Okay. We feel you.
It's not a bad starter. It really isn't a bad starter.
We feel you. All right, Chad. All right, Mr. Kegetja. Chad, so that is the first
Fast
one.
and Furious vibes.
That is the first one. Secondly, McNeil Isaacs.
Ooh, Flamena already in the chat for Chris here today.
What is she? Where is she? Ah, my favorite. Where's Plamena? What did she say? So, Chris, you play this daily. Hey, Plamena, daily. Okay, so we've got Mr. McNeil. Mr. McNeil is playing a dangerous game here with the chat. That's all I'm saying. Okay.
Right now, I don't know what song this is.
Let's check Mr. McNeil. Playing with fire.
So far, the chat's enjoying it. So Dylan, Michaela, Seppo, there you go with it. Jason's with it.
Okay.
It needs ABC, but not feeling a good choice though.
Winnie Kumalo. Oh damn, here we go.
Jeez, what are you even
Bro, I can vibe to this.
Nah, I can vibe to it. I just, honestly, Chad, it's a vibe. I just genuinely, I don't know this. I actually really don't.
I don't know it, but it's oh shit, yeah, it's coming, babe.
Nah, it is a good song. It's a vibe.
Oh damn, here we go. I know it. Yeah, what a song. I know it.
I still don't.
You don't know, bro. This is
still,
a bang. Bro, this bridge is legendary. Nah, I know this. I know it. Chat. It's a banger. No, it started rough. The
only thing for me, guys, I don't know the song. So for me, I obviously can't go see myself, but I can see the chat is credible for it. Abandoned, I've never heard it, so for me it's Abandoned, and B, it is a banger, it's a vibe.
No, I know it.
Started rough. It still meets it, I don't know the song.
I dig it, Chad. I might even put that on my little staple list. I've got a little investment account when it comes to bangers. They just pay very good dividends and interest, especially when you travel. This will definitely get on there. A little bit of a... This, yeah, bro. Let's go, baby. This has SAB Black Label vibes. Risky, but you must be tipsy. Oh. All right. Okay. Chad is ready, yeah. Not a bad start, Chad. I have to say we on some solid ground here. Dave Vermeer.
Oh, Dave,
Chad.
Dave, I think on Dave's track history, you either deliver or you miss the ball.
He's almost like a Willy LaRue. Either you have like this game out of this world, and then the next weekend you get subbed before halftime. Okay, Chad, this is our main man, Dave Vermeer, also one of the cornerstones of the Chad, yes. So
bring it home, Dave.
Dave loves his Okay, let's see, Chad.
Alright, Dave, what you bringing there for us? I can't really tell what this is yet, because all the old songs literally all started like this.
Yeah, let's play with fire. Wait, it's building. Oh shit, here we go. Hold on, Keeks. Keeks, are you holding on, my brother?
Dave.
Are you holding on, Keeks?
We're bringing it, bro.
Alright, let's go. Let's see. Tough scenes.
of the song.
Must I forward a little bit? Dave.
To know the future, gotta know the past.
Chad. What is it? Chad, I'm not feeling
I
it.
just saw the red card, bro.
Was it? Okay. Shit, did it get red carded? Okay, wait. Dave, sorry man, the red card is out. That's not on me. Chad, Dave taking a massive risk here on a Friday. Massive risk being taken. All right, we've got Mr. Rooks.
Davey.
Mr. Rooks of the
Yellow
leader.
card bunker review.
Mr. Rooks, leader and founder of the Rooks Union. That is the Rooks Union, a labor union. So for the fellow Chads, he's also one of the spokesperson for the labor union for the Chad as well. So Mr. Rooks, Chad, I hope you guys are ready. This is Mr. Rooks in the house.
Come on,
Wait,
Rooks.
let me pause here.
Willie wil nie vang nie.
Mr. Rooks playing
Come
a
on,
dangerous
Rooks.
game here, but let's see.
E aí, gata? Já tá pronta?
Hey, Tanya, you ready? Come on, let's hit the gym.
Jim, are you serious?
Aí, qual que tem? Mano, é seguir.
Come on, baby.
Let's go. Make no excuses now. I'm talking here and
I'll
now.
go
I'm
ABCs.
talking here and now.
I'll go
Let's
ABCs.
Your time is running out. I'm talking here and now. I'm talking here
What a
and now.
song.
It's not about what you've done. It's about what you do. It's all about where you going. No matter
Rooks delivered.
Let's go.
What a song.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's now or never. Let's go.
What a song.
All right, Chad. What are we saying? Mr. Rooks, the absolute glue of the Chad. Just the absolute general in the Chad. ABC fed. All right, Chad. Now, last one. Also a fellow brother of the Chad, Mr. Nizam Samai.
Sheesh. To be fair, I think Nizam's done one Friday Forgotten Banger. He delivered.
Yeah, I know he delivered. All right. Nizam, Chad. Let's get our hands together for Mr. Nizam. All right, Mr. Nizam, up next. Let's get it going here. Okay, ready? Ooh, just looking at it, I feel like this man is playing a risky game here. This man is risking it, but let's check here. I'm not gonna judge. Okay, wait, Chad. Let's see. Okay.
Have you ever noticed that I'm not acting as I used to do before? Have you ever wondered why I always
Well,
keep
let
on
this one cook a
coming
bit,
back
yeah.
for more?
Let him cook a little bit. Let's check.
I'll never be the same, I'll tell you for sure. I'll never be the
Yeah.
same, I'll tell you for sure. I'll never be the same, I'll tell you for sure. You really are my ecstasy.
Tough.
Yeah. Just shake that chat, eh?
Little tap, yeah. A little tap.
Right? Dissolve, I don't even think yours is going for a back good review, bro.
Yo, that thing is straight red. That's what I hear. The chat says. Yeah, Nazam, the chat is ruthless. That's the thing I warned the guys. I said, don't take it personal. The chat is the chat.
Yes, bro, those red cards were flying out of there.
Chad, we can't.
Yo.
All I heard was
Finish him. Fatality.
all right. Okay, Nazam, we still love you. Nazam, it happens. This is part of the Friday Forgotten Bangers. This is what sets the men from the boys. I know you will go back. I know you will come back stronger. So yeah, no harm, no foul done there. Come back stronger. We know you're gonna come back stronger. So we believe in you. But Chad, how are you feeling after Keegs? What do you rate? How do you feel about it?
I think it was rough scenes, bro. I think we had a ranging day. We were lows, then we were mediums, then we had the highs of the day, then we ran right back to the lows of the day.
I mean, like any good wife, I told him not to choose that. So I mean, you sound like every good wife, even when you're in traffic. It's like, I told you not to go this side. I told you it was going to be slower. It's like, but liefie, ons ry altyd hier. Maar jy kan mos sien, ons gaan all right. I'll give him a timeout. Okay, Chad. So, I'm going to firstly give the first 5. So we had Turn Down for What? DJ Snake, Lil Jon. We had Winnie Kamalu, Live My Life. We had Sun Kids. That was Dave's song. That very long build up, and it's almost No, let me stop with these analogies. I can get myself into trouble with these analogies. Calvin Harris, Let's Go, and then it was Nazam's ATB Ecstasy. All right, so I think DJ Snake is definitely going to go on the list of 4. Winnie Kamalu, definitely on the list of 4. Calvin Harris. So now it's just a case of ATB, Ecstasy, Dave Vermeer's song, or Nazam's. Sorry, ATB is Nazam's song, or Sun Kids from Dave Vermeer. So one of those 2 we need to choose, Chad. We can only have 4 on the list.
Simple, no voting. We try again next week. This is drawdown.
Who said that? Sepo. Hey, my brother. Hey, my brother. We gotta. What? Euros? What? No. NCS.
Yo.
Absolutely not.
Yo.
NCS.
It is tough scenes, Chad.
Even NCS just trying to. Chad, I was hunting here for an entry on GJ. You guys know what we were expecting. Half round number there, 194.50. Previous daily low, 15-minute also never gave us something. You can see here, still holding at that support level, previous daily low level. So I'm still going to check there. And then GU on the 15 in 3 minutes and 44 seconds. I will be looking for short. There's the rejection in that zone. Previous daily low. If we close below here, Chad. If we close below there. Otherwise, no bueno from me. Because then I'll just wait for the 30-minute. That could most probably break the structure there. But on the 15, this is what I'm looking for in the next 3 minutes. So just get ready. Nice closure below there. There's your previous daily low. Nice little top wick. Go for a retest on that daily S1. And then ultimately 1255.50. Do we really think one test is enough on the yearly pivot? Maybe not. So that is what I'm looking at. So before we so the side's along chat, I just want to get my charts ready here. Just want to get charts ready. What ranges are we working with here? 10. Oh, okay, beautiful. That's more than enough for us to eat. 2 minutes chat. We'll get back to the competition now. I just want to see if we can partake of thine trade.
Yeah, bro. The guys want to make some money.
Naz, just holding that range.
Yeah, like Dave is the same thing, bro. Like I have a feeling like I'm not gonna call them African house music, but again, it's more like if you you South African, you would know the songs. But that's where it keeps becoming a thing where I'm like, that for me, that's a whole nother level of risky. Like,
what's that house?
Like especially but like South African house, where it's like you either are going, everyone will know the song, everyone will love the song, or you're gonna miss completely and no one will even know the song. So that for me is always a tough one.
Alrighty, Chad. Chadonia. Chattanooga. Can we get a nice easy run into the dailiest one? Chad. Tiny little top wick. I know you're gonna say, top wick Chris, bottom wick Chris. Chad. Chad, come on. Stop this. Stop this craziness. Slashy, it depends, my brother. The thing about war crimes is that there's a global court so people can do sanctions against you. So it's not really about what's going to happen between Israel and Palestine. It's more the case of what is the effects going to be afterwards. Are there going to be sanctions? Are there going to be... so it's more a case of what's the reaction going to be of the rest of the world. So I don't foresee any immediate effects. So yeah. All right, Chad. Nice closure here. Nice little top wick, top break of the lows. If no top wick, no trade. All right.
Yeah, I mean, the boys have got this.
Is that Chad? Is that the top? Is that the top wick?
You went to the top wick, bro.
Bro, what is that? That is, dude, that is not even a winter nipple. That is a...
Well, you weren't specific, bro. You didn't say how big of a top wick you wanted.
No, like, just top wick, my dude. Just like, pull up a little bit. When does the 30 close? Yeah, let's check it. 30 in the next 14 minutes. Range is, what is that? Bro, it's not even 10 yet. Alright. Alright. Was that the top wick? Top wick, Chris. We must actually get a cap. Waiting for a top wick.
10 years later.
Chad,
waiting.
Chad, I'm gonna get a what's the name? A cap called Waiting for a Bottom Wick. Nah, Chad, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. That for me, that little nipple there, that's not even. That's 5 pipettes. That is 5 pipettes, my dude. And then GJ also no bueno. No bueno, yeah. Let's check gold. Gold has just been bullish. Like it's if you
No, you can't really get in on it.
no that's the thing though. But if you just bought, you just buy, dip, buy. Alrighty, Chad. So who are we, Mr. Markable, aka top and bottom wick? You had one chance to get the liquidity and you don't click. Chad, so who are we going for? Are we going to send Mr. Nazam or Dave? Just let me know in the chat a little bit. Let's check there. What did Rick say? Are we talking Dave? Are we talking both of them? Keegs, tough. Chad saying chalking both. Okay. Both will be chalked, Chad. So I'm going to get the songs ready here. So it's only a 3-way deal today. Dave, Nazam, we still love you guys. Please note, do not take the chat seriously, but not too heavy. Okay, I'm going to send the poll now. So first up, we've got Turn Down for What? Then we've got Live My Life, Winnie Kamalu. Just a beautiful, beautiful banger here on a Friday. And then we've got Calvin Harris, Let's Go Feet, Neo. Featuring Neo. Chat, there we go. Let's go. Francha, we can't. That's the beauty of the Friday Forgotten Bangers. You gotta be here on Friday. Gotta send that list in. Otherwise it starts to become loose in your... Ruben, so you're saying you had a bit of a trigger finger. Ruben, yeah, I would say trade does not look bad at all. I'm going to say just monitor this yearly pivot and then also monitor the 30-minute, because ideally what the 30-minute is going to do, if the 30-minute closes below here,
your DXY is just taking
you're going to get a nice top wick and then you're going to break lower again. So not a bad trade. I just wanted a little bit more than that. That little pipetal, that little winter nip. That's not even a winter nip. That's like a KZN nipple, kicks. That humidity.
Yeah.
Can't even get that nipple up, dude. Even if you were lying in front of the aircon, that nipple is flat, my dude.
It's fighting battles there, bro.
TP is that yearly pivot. Beautiful, Ruby. Beautiful. If I'm very honest, Ruben, I think you're gonna see a lot. You're gonna see quite a bit of price action around this yearly pivot level. So unless they just take it away from here, I don't foresee just one little tap into this level and gone. I think there's gonna be quite a bit of ranging going on there. That's the idea, but I would say just monitor this 30 close. This 30 just needs to close below there. Then you've got a position here on your hands. GJ. Is there a way for us to partake? No, there is no way to partake in this. Chris Winter or not a nips a pip? Chris Winter or not a nips a nip? Hey Brian, a nip is a nip, my dude. All nipples matter. Keeks?
That's it, bro.
What did you say?
Even the little ones.
Did you say even the ones that look like frisbees?
Yo, Chad. It's getting wild in here. Sheesh. The frisbees are out.
Did you say even the one that looks like... No man, Keeks. Yes, Chad. Keeks, gotta keep it clean, my dude. This is a family show.
Sure. Even if they're bigger cigars, they matter.
Butt proper. Hey, butt proper. Yes, Chad, you guys are animals.
Yo, Chad.
Oh. No, you guys are getting unhinged here. You guys are getting unhinged. Completely. Completely. Chad, poll is... Yo, Chad, this is Keeks. One of most probably the tightly contested. I'm going to give it a couple of more minutes, Chad. But...
the guys are fighting for this one.
Chad, everyone in the 30s here. This is going down the wire. This thing is going down the wire. Currently turned down for what and live my life. Neck and neck. Calvin Harris in a narrow lead, Chad. Can we get at least 40 more votes?
No, Jeremy Loops was one of mine. So Chris and Ma,
we don't count.
Yeah, we don't count. We're just there for the vibes to be with the guys, to set the tone.
We just vibe out with the boys.
Nah, bro. Also, if Loops was one of them and it didn't make the top 3, I would be shocked. Trading you, just make sure the next time, brother, then you must be there nice and early so you can put your
banger
in. And then remember, it's not what you think, it's what the chat thinks. And then the
chat has been a big shift here. There's been a big shift. Live My Life has now edged out narrowly. Chat, 10 more votes. Then we're locking it in here. 10 more votes. Things just shifted there in an instant. Oh, Live My Life now edging even closer to that. Whoa, Chad.
Finish him.
Show, Chad, Live My Life now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Live My Life. What an underdog story. Winnie Kamalu. Makes me think of that song, Keeks.
Which
Started
one?
from the bottom, now we're here. Are we keeping a tally of songs played? Jax, no, we should actually.
More just yes, we know it's been played before, we don't.
Like some of these songs have scarred us for life. Some of these songs, like we'll see it. We'll know this is not it. This is not the final form. We're gonna end this right here. 3. I'm gonna count till 10. Live My Life currently in the lead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Winnie Kamalu, baby. Let's just play it one more time here for the chat. Let's in that bridge. That's your winner for today, baby. Friday for God, man.
You made it in time to hear the winner, bro.
Huh?
No, Lyndon, he missed the Friday Forgotten Bangers, but I'll say he's here at least now for the winner.
Lyndon, this is the winner, baby. Winnie Kamalu.
Well, I think this song was chosen for the memories created at parties that the chat can't talk about.
Sure. When those winter nips came out to play. Hey, Chad, gee, look at that, baby. Look at that. Nice. Nice, Ruby. There you go. Chad, if you partook of this forbidden fruit and you didn't wait for a top wick, drop a 1 in the chat if you took those shorts. Drop a 1. I know Ruby ate. I know Ruby 8. 1. All right. Who else, Chad? Who else? McNeil, please, my brother, email support@vaultfunder.trade. Send a screenshot of your YouTube username, and we're going to get that $5,000 Vault Funder Challenge account to you ASAP. Chad, if you partook, dankie, nog 'n Willis chicken in the bag, so that legend. Yeah, Chad, beautiful, beautiful. Sorry, the range was a little tight for me. That's why I wanted a bit of a more of a bottom, a top wick. But beautiful, beautiful analysis. Previous daily low, Asia lows, nice little re-break into this range right there. Idea is similar to what we had on the daily. Remember, price action is fractal. So exactly the same idea we had with the daily candle yesterday was that price could now go and firstly fill out this range, and then from there even continue lower. GJ, I was looking for something here around this previous daily low. Just didn't get it. The 30 just holding above there. You can see that range just holding above. The 15 also just holding above at this previous little support area there. So couldn't really execute, and then just took a massive dump here. And now the question is, can we take something down here? The other toughie here is we've got this nice big ass institutional level here, 194. So 194, and then you've got literally Asia lows down there. So trading into a support like this, yeah, that's not your cleanest of setups. taking a short from there into this, not my business, if I'm very, very honest. Just do this. And then gold, I don't actually know what I was waiting for in gold because it's just so extended. Because we tested Asia highs. Piasty chat, even these 15-minute candles are like 40 pips. Yeah, 47. This thing is a little beastie boys. DXY just came back with a vengeance, not even holding anyone's drink. DXY was like that guy, just basically slapping drinks out of everyone's hand. Daily R1 back above the previous daily high. So dollar going. Yeah, Chad, GU. I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. I'm not even against going for further short side momentum if we can do some type of retest here. The reason I say that is because remember I told you guys this morning, if we're gonna start holding above here, this 106.71, we're gone, because that was the reversal point last year. So that we're literally now breaking out of a weekly range. I just want to show you guys quickly. Just want to show you guys here real quick. We're busy breaking out of a weekly range. So check here. We spoke about it, Keegs. I think it was it last week or the week before.
With what?
DXY, this weekly range.
Yeah.
So Chad, you can see we're busy. This could be the breakout of a multi-week range, all the way dating back to the 22nd, the 7th of November 2022, 2 years ago. So this is actually a 2-year range. Okay. So if we break out of this range, look left with me, where are we going? We're firstly going to go here. And then after that, we're going to go here. So what could happen, I know all of the ICT fuck boys and the ICT fuck ladies in the chat, they're going to say, oh, Chris, this is a range manipulation. Liquidity will be taken here and we will go back into the range. All right, that can happen. I'm not saying that can't happen. That is just purely a failure to hold outside of the range. And if it closes back in the range, we know where we're going. We're going back to the bottom of the range. So that's why I'm saying if this now all of a sudden is going to add a lot of fuel to the G. Yeah, okay. I don't think we. Oh, she's a goner, Chad. There she goes. There she goes. How did the 30 close? Nice, Ruby. There's that 30 close. I'll just put this back on. Alright, let's check here. Took 20 pips on that GU setup. Thanks, Chris. Giddy, beautiful, my brother. Beautiful. Big thing for me on a setup like this is I want you guys to just understand the thinking process of order flow was bearish. We were from the daily, more than the trade. I just want you guys to understand the framework of the trade. We were bearish on the day. We broke structure. Then secondly, dropping down to the lower time frames. Go exclamation Discord. All of this is in the Discord. In our trading plan, it states that if we get a nice impulse move below Asia lows, we retest Asia lows, we would expect a continuation move down. That was the second framework. Then also we clearly state that how we trade around the previous daily low is going to tell us a lot about how the rest of the session is going to go. And if you cannot hold above the previous daily low, the expectation would be that you can continue lower, because we're breaking structure on a daily level. So it's a daily candle breaking a previous daily candle's low. So there's bearish order flow incoming. And then the framework around the idea of how you could have taken it is that there was your rejection. You took the previous 15-minute high up there. So you took all of those little buy stops there, if you want to call it buy side liquidity, whatever liquidity you want to call it. And you close right back inside of this little range. So think of it of this being your range that you got back into. And then it's just simple range trading. You're going to go from range to range. If you break out of this range, you'll go to wherever the next range is looking left. But yeah, that was quite a nice setup for whoever took it. And again, this is not financial advice, but if you can use some of the information shared here for your own education, to your own advantage, then that's the bonus for us.
Yeah, that's it. Lyndon out with the
Whoa.
no-no.
Mr. Lyndon. Where's that horn? Beautiful, Lyndon. What a blessed week this week, geez. May you continue to be blessed, Chris and Keeks. Really appreciate it, my brother.
Sure, brother.
Chad, you're never really going to trade DXY. Some of the brokers that have it, the spread is super shit. I traded it years ago, so even if a broker has it, nobody has got good fills on it. So don't even try to trade it. I'm promising you, you're going to waste your time. Purely use it as a confluence, but to try and trade it, your fills are going to be horrific. Yo. GU. Key level to key level. It is the key. Watch it burn. Daily S2. Keeks, anything you looking at, my brother?
I'm watching US study, but that's pretty much it. Gold at a 2700 level, but now we need to re-break it again. So we tested it, we got that little price action off of it. We obviously wanted 26.95, which literally has just been tested now. So now if we can get back to break 2700, I'll look for the buys. Otherwise, I'm quite just locked in here for US study. Obviously, we are breaking down now, so I just want to see what's going to happen at the bottom of this range here.
Wait, choose what's happening. Sadat, you're gonna make me cry. Did you just say thanks? Why has Sadat never... Yeah, I think, bro, that's my moves missed. GU. Yes, dude, look at you. Jeez Louise. Chad, look at that thing busting a nut through daily S2 as well, on its way to daily S3. Sheesh. What a thing to see. What a thing to see. Damn. Yo. Yo. Coding with Tees, it's 1 o'clock till 6 o'clock, my brother. 1 till 6 South African time. So you will use that time frame 1 o'clock till 6 o'clock. All right, Keeks, are you still going to take anything? I think my move happened, unfortunately.
I'm just watching. I don't know if
I'm still waiting for a topic. I'm still waiting for a topic. Keeks, I'm still. Chad, I'm still waiting for that topic. Yeah, Chad. I know some of you caught some pips here today. DXY just busting out here. DXY absolutely mauling people here. Beautiful to see. That is massive, Chad. Massive. Then gold. Would I partake of thine gold? No. This is, Chad. This volatility is a little heavy for me. These weeks are, no. Yeah, no. Let me not even try and convince myself here. Chris, it's alright, do it. You can do it. It's like, no, Chris, you don't do any of that crazy stuff. Chad, and then GJ. Yeah, GJ. GJ, the play was here, Chad. Like I said, just did not get an opportunity there. The opportunities. And even, little to no top wick. That's, sheesh. Daily. Alrighto. Keeks, any closing remarks for the chat?
No, guys. It was a fun session. Obviously, from my side, nothing to really take or execute on. But no, it was good as always, and we'll be locked in for New York session. Because as I said, today will be the day we go 5 for 5, baby.
Amen. Chat, how was the week? Let me know. Drop me a 1 in the chat if you guys had a good week. Drop me a 1 in the chat how the week was. Give me a 2 in the chat, break even week. And then give me a 3 if it was a horrific week. I can actually classify my week as, let me just check. Is it horrific though? That's the thing. Let's just check. Horrific. I can classify down 3,000 doll hairs. 3,000 doll hairs. Not dollars. Actually, we trade in doll hairs. So I take my daughter's dolls and I take the hair. And we trade with the doll hairs. So basically 3 losses, 1 win, some missed opportunities, but that is part of it. There needs to be losers for someone to win as well. Alrighty, Chad. We will see you guys 4 p.m. Let's end it strong. Let's get ready for the week that the cracker goes 5 for 5. We might even give Keegan off on Monday. If the cracker goes 5 for 5, Keegs, you're not coming in on Monday. I'm just letting you know.
I'm not gonna fight it, bro.
Keegs, I'm just letting you know. we don't want you here. Go rest. 5 for 5. You guys won't see Keegan on Monday. Man can go and chill. But Chad, peace and love, baby. We'll see you guys a little bit later.
Cheers, Chad.
They are among us. As the skies light up, they believe we are blissfully unaware. But this activity by non-human extraterrestrial technology is capturing the attention of humans.
It's always a good time for Slav Polka. Oi, oi! Bring the beats. It's time for polka. Let's start slow. A bit faster. Where the trumpets? It's time for polka.
All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? All the choices you made, did you make them again, 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 again? All the lies that you told, did you believe in them? Again, 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 again.